Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the another makeup look. This makeup look is going to be for the club party makeup look. You can say that. I really love this look and this is the entire makeup look which I am going to teach you in this video. So I think without wasting any time, we should start this video. So first of all, I am going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's very good on skin. It gives you a full coverage. So let's start with it. The one thing which I like about the Wet n Wild foundation is that it comes with a spatula inside it, and you can directly apply it all over your face in this way. As I am done applying with the foundation, now I am going to gently blend this foundation with the help of this puff brush. Make sure that you devote an ample amount of time to this process. So let's start with it. Make sure that you do this process on your neck area too, because generally what happens, we leave our neck area and our neck and face, they look quite different from each other. So make sure that you do this process on your neck area. As I'm done blending with the foundation, now I'm going to use the compact powder. You can also use the loose powder, and the compact powder which I'm going to use is of Milani. So I am going to take a bit of it, dabbing off the extra powder. This step helps your foundations for staying long time. You know, it doesn't leave patches or doesn't get cakey after several hours. So make sure that you do this step. Yeah. I am done doing this, applying this compact powder all over my face. Now I am going to fill my eyebrows with the help of the eyebrow pencil. I'm done filling my eyebrows. One tip which I would like to give you is that if you're not having an eyebrow pencil, you can use the black color eyeshadow also, and with the help of the eyebrow brush you can fill your eyebrows. Okay, so next, now I'm going to start with my eye makeup, which is the main focus of our entire makeup. So I'm going to use the two eyeshadow palettes today. One I'm going to use is of Huda Beauty, and second eyeshadow palette I'm going to use of Wet n Wild. So first of all, I'm going to do my base makeup, and I'm going to apply this beige shade, this cream color shade, as my base on my eyes. Now I am going to use this dark purple shade on the outer lid of my eyes. So I am done applying this dark purple shade on the outer lid of my eyes. I know I look horrible at this point of time, but yeah, eventually this will turn out to be a very great look. I'm going to use this bare color shade on the inner edge of my eyes. So yeah, I have taken this. Applied this Bare Color eyeshadow on the inner lid of my eyes. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to take a clean brush and going to gently blend both of these colors. This is the puffing brush which I am having, and I am going to gently blend it so that there is no harsh lines. As it is a party makeup look, we are going to a club, so there is we can't skip adding shimmer to our eyes, and the shimmer which I am going to add to my eyes is of Daydream shade. This I am going to take with the help of my fingers, and I am going to rub it, you can see it, and then I am going to apply in the middle of my eyes. I'm done applying this shimmer on the middle of my eyes, and it looks so beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this Tickle shade, it's a light pink shade, and I'm going to apply it on the lower portion of my eyes. So I'm going to tap off the extra powder. I'm going to use this Slay Color highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my, this area. Okay, we are done highlighting our eyes. Now I'm going to apply this eyeliner on my eyes. Okay, I am done applying the eyeliner. Now I am going to do contouring. The contour stick which I am going to use is of Wet n Wild. I am going to take this contouring brush. Now I am going to apply some lip color and the false lashes, and I'm going to show you the final makeup look. And this is our final makeup look, and how amazing it has turned out to be. You can also try this makeup look at your home, and don't forget to tag me, because I would also love to see that how this makeup look has turned out to be on you and how pretty you guys look. So yeah, you can look that.